Hi, I'm Alex, and you are watching Forex Synopsis, the place where we analyze different assets from the Forex markets. Let's start today with gold and US 30 or Dow Jones. The prices that I take are from my favorite broker Wanda. So for gold, for instance, is xauusd, and for the other one, Dow Jones US 30, is US 30 USD. Before we begin, don't forget to give a like to the video if you like it. Smash that subscribe button. It will help others find the channel easier and participate to this technical analysis that I will be doing every week in English, mainly on Forex markets. So let's begin with gold. In my opinion right now, gold has made a break in market structure, an internal break in market structure, although it landed in this consolidation block. So we can see here a lot of buying pressure at 179.2. So yeah, what do I think gold will be doing in the next period? So if I go to the 1-hour chart, we can see that it got a lot of selling pressure from this consolidation block, and also I think that on the 15 minutes we can, yeah, this here is the actual bearish order block combined with the supply zone right here, and this we could have put here a nice short order with in my opinion a take profit in this bullish consolidation block right here. So there was a big chance of this POC at 1800 to sustain the move. Right now what we can see, so it did an internal break in market structure. There are a couple of consolidation blocks that might keep the price in place. So if I were to be longing, I would be longing at 1786. So would go like this, right? So going here, and then this would be my take profit. So in my opinion, the price right now, it might go and retest this previous consolidation block, then retest this this consolidation block over here at 1793. It might get another reject and fall beyond this place, and we could have it at 1787, right? So here, in my opinion, would be a great place to be thinking about a long if we see a lot of buying pressure, and but I wouldn't go higher than 1790, right? This would be on a more bearish scenario. If I were to be longing right now, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. We're in a critical point. We still have this bearish order block here that hasn't been yet burnt, and I am quite waiting on this movement here. In my opinion, you should be seeing some selling pressure here that would give you a lot of advantage in trying to sell, right? At least at the half of the distance. So making a selling pressure at 1824 would bring you for sure down to this, at least to 1850, right? Rejection from this bearish order block here might bring you all the way down to the consolidation zone, and 1798 or 99, right? So this zone around here, the only way I would long right now, place a long order, would be breaking above this. It might get some reaction around here at 1840, coming back to this consolidation block, and then confirming would make me target a long, most likely back to this consolidation zone, right? This would be my long scenario, also breaking above this zone, right? So breaking above this zone at 1832, right? This consolidation block here, which is a resistance around here, would for sure take you to 1851, right? So this here would be the next interest zone. This area right here is quite unfriendly. You can easily get trapped around here. So in my opinion, I would wait for a long at 1757. If it reaches this value around here, this would be my go-to, right? Let's see how gold will carry on in the next few days, probably next week, so on. So now let's jump to US 30 USD, and I made a previous analysis. It was in Romanian. I said that we have here well-defined trend line, and breaking above the all-time high, right? I said that we might come here and retest this consolidation block around here, and it could have tested at 35,600 or this zone here, 35,534. It got a pretty nice rejection zone from this point. It should get up right above here at 35,746. This would be your first target. If it manages to break this consolidation zone, you might continue the uptrend and target the new all-time high. Otherwise, if it gets rejection around here, it makes a lower high, and you might expect to retest this support zone at least 35,625, right? So this zone here, having a lot of selling pressure here might offer you a chance. So in my opinion, it can go all the way. If it gets a rejection, it can go all the way to 35,579. But for safety reasons, you can target. So for example, let's say it gets a rejection at 35,753. You could target right about here in this consolidation zone. So this would be 0.5 from the Fibonacci level. I would go even to the golden pocket of this movement. That puts me right about at 35,635, right? So a lot of bullish momentum here. Let's see if it loses it and makes a lower high. If it makes a lower high, then we might expect in the long run to have maybe a break in market structure that would put us in a downtrend, and the next support zone that I would look for would be 35,333. Okay, doesn't look bad right now. It broke above the 35,677. That's great. Next target would be 35,763. Let's see if it reaches this point or it gets a rejection around here. You still have the support here, so no worries. I wouldn't target much of a short, so only if it gets rejection here I would target the consolidation zone around here, right? So I wouldn't go that far long with the short. There are zones, so if we make a break in market structure, there are zones even to this trend line here. So we might in the future, depending on what it does, we might in the future find it at 35,332. The thing is that if you break this all-time high and take the support zone around right now 35,792, we could expect a new all-time high. So just a small measurement of some Fibonacci levels. I think there's a golden pocket around here somewhere. Yeah, so put this, so this would be Elliott wave 1, 2, 3. We could retrace and it still makes us in an impulsive Elliott wave movement. If it gets to 35,264, no problem, even to the last stop here at 35,021. So this would make us in a fourth wave of the Elliott wave, and we could pump then to the fifth wave. That has a target, so let's measure it. What would be a hypothetical target on the fifth wave would be 36,380, right? So this would be our Elliott wave new target. There is still time to go there. There are multiple formations happening here. You had a rising wedge here that it broke beyond it. Good opportunity for a short. I already said that in my previous analysis. We'll see in the future what it can do. Okay guys, so this was our analysis for today. Don't forget to like the video, smash that subscribe button, and if you have comments or you want other assets to be technical analyzed, feel free to drop in with a comment, feedback, or anything is highly valuable at this moment. Okay, this was Alex. Safe trading. Bye-bye.